So today I traded really well. I'm going to hope that this video gives you guys some of my takeaways that really helped me today, where I think a lot of people got chopped up. I didn't make 10 grand, but I'm up 400 bucks and I feel really good about the trades I took. Before we get into that, we are still running a Black Friday sale. $25 right now to join us on ASFX TV for your first month. That's going to give you access to our daily live streams, our VIP Discord, and of course, Futures 2.0, the brand new course that we just dropped, the follow-up to Futures 101. If you haven't seen Futures 101, that's also linked in my bio, link down below. That's the free course. Futures 2.0 is the upgraded, more advanced, deep dive into all that content that everybody is just raving about in our Discord. So definitely make sure you take the free trial and you use the code Friday. The discount code is Friday. That'll give you the first month for $25. If you're watching this after Black Friday, maybe try the code XMAS, XMAS. That's going to give you another discount, but not as good as this Black Friday deal. So take it while it's here. So yeah, up 400 bucks today. I want to show you the trades. We used Bookmap today, me and Evan on stream, and it just makes such a difference. So the first trade was long on the break of the New York VWAP here at 946. Opening range set in. It was a tight opening range this morning. That told me that we might not get big moves today. There might not be a lot of volatility in it. So I took the break, stop for a mid-range trade like this. Stop loss has to be at the opening range low, so 6 points. Take profit is the opening range high. We know that the first break of the range usually doesn't pop and run all day. Some days it does, but usually does not. So that's where we took profit on this trade. I was 60% off at opening range high, and then I was stopped here at entry for the rest of the trade. 10 a.m. news comes in. I'm flat. Don't do anything. We were targeting, as you can see in my notes here, targeting orders above at 30. The highest we made it to was 28. So I still had those orders on the book at 30. And if you go rewatch the stream on ASFX TV, you'll see the book map and see how I found those orders. So after the news, we pull back to previous day VWAP. This is a great level I like longs off of. I didn't take the first touch. I didn't take the pin. I waited for a little bit more structure, but I felt like this could lead to a pop. So a trade here from previous day VWAP in blue up to today's New York VWAP in the darker blue is a really great bottom of range to mid-range trade. If you've seen Futures 101 or 2.0, bottom of range trades, we take those to mid-range. Mid-range, we take them to top of range. You just have to know where you are, and you use Bookmap to tell you which direction to trade. Again, look at my notes. Orders still heavy above at 30. Austin, why didn't you hold the whole trade till 30? Well, because this is the first take profit on that trade, and I know it can pull back. So I'd rather scalp it here and take a win. Now I'm stacking wins on a day where the market's not moving much. Now I get long again at 1042. Third trade, third win. Notice here the 60.15 price, that opening range low, that black line shows us that's set in the first 15 minutes of the trading day. That tells us a great price to trade from today. You don't have to be long there though, right? I was long underneath it a little bit. You could have been long above it here like I was for my third trade. And again, what did I do? Mid-range trade, take profit at top of range here. Again, trading into the 30s. The 30s did end up filling, if you wanted to know. By the end of the day, as you can see here, the 30s end up filling and we ended up going higher. This is ES finishing the day at 42. But if you throw the New York VWAP on here like this, you can see how well New York VWAP was playable for buys today. Here was my final trade here from 21. You can see you could have played the 20s in here. You could have played the 21, 22 bounce in here, or even the 23, 24. I'm reading price to you when I say those numbers. The bounce here, right? And with a 10-point stop, opening range is 10 points today. 10-point stop is very reasonable. You make money on all of those ideas today. All of them. Really, really clean day. So really good lesson. Like you don't have to have a massive day to make decent money, right? I put a little more size on these. I'm sized down this week. If you've been following me on stream, you know I'm sized down for the holiday. Everything is cut in half or more. So to make 400 bucks on a day where everything is cut in half is really not bad. That could have been an $800 or $1,000 day for me usually. But I'm light, I'm tight, I'm protective on a holiday week, and I think that's another tip you hopefully can take from me. But I played all longs, all one asset, all using VWAP. If you want to use this indicator that puts these on, just go to luxalgo.com/ASFX. That's where our automated VWAP indicator is. And if you need an instant funded account, please head to Tradeify. They are offering $25K straight to SIM funded accounts right now. If you use my discount code, they're usually $375. I'm going to get you 45% off. Use the code ASFX for 45% off. That's only for Black Friday going on right now. Otherwise, the ASFX code I think is 40% off. So that was the day. And then again, just one more note, look at the prices, 19, 19.50, 21. What price works, right? The first long today, all the way over here, what price was that? 21. So all day, 21s worked for longs. Here, 19s and 20, that was the price. So I challenge you every day, go find where should you have been long, and you'll start to see if you're using a VWAP like this, how powerful that 930 open VWAP is and how powerful the opening range high and low is. So I think my best trade of the day was probably snagging this price, getting the 13, 60.13 is a great entry price. But I think the overall, like, nicest one was this one. Took a good strong break of New York. I trusted that stop loss, easy double top here at that opening range high. I know I'm taking profit there. It's a no-brainer. But the first one was fast. Love it when it's fast. So overall, it was a really good day. Going into tomorrow, the day before Thanksgiving, I'm even more defensive. I'm not giving back any of these gains from this week, especially because I'm already red on this month. This is on pace to be my second red month of the year. And I'm just going to take it on the face. And I still am probably going to get a payout from Top Step. So I might try to make a little more money in that account. My Top Step XFA is at, let's pull it up. I'll just show you here. We'll have to do a whole video on these settings here, but I'm at $4,000, which is the highest equity since I took the big 3K payout a couple of months ago. So slowly but surely been digging this thing back. If you look here, like you can see, this is since this is the last month. So in the last month on just this XFA, 65% trade win rate, 1.6 profit factor, 50% day win rate, and I'm up $2,400. So if you look at this like a career, this month I made $2,400. I could take out money on that. You know what I'm saying? I could take out $2,000. So, but I don't know if I'm going to yet, but I'll keep you posted. You'll have to keep watching my videos to find out. Take the Black Friday sale, take all the discounts I'm throwing at you, stock up on everything now while it's on sale, because I know you're going to buy it anyway. So use the discounts, and I'll see you on stream tomorrow morning.